Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a DIY lash extension at home. Guys, I have never done this before, but you know, when things are more expensive, you tend to do things yourself at home. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how I achieve my lashes from this to this. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. I'll be showing you the products I will be using here. For this lash extension, I have the B&Q lash extension, and this one has it's a mix. It has the length of 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 millimeters. And then I also got this this MAC, that's a Quewell. I got all these lashes from Amazon, guys, all this from Amazon. And this is also a mixture of 8, 10, 14 and 16 millimeters long, and these are only 16 millimeters. So guys, what I really want like to have the longest length at the corners of my eyes and then coming downwards to the smaller one. But then I think I'll be going with this fluffy lash. This is for Quewell. This is how it looks. It has all the sizes from 8 to 16 millimeters. So you'll be needing your lash extension, cluster lash extension. You are also going to be needing a glue. This is a Bond and Seal. This is from B&Q. And it says it is waterproof and dust proof. So this is what I have. I'll be using this. You may also need an eyelash brush. You also need a tweezer and a lash holder. I got this from Adele. It doesn't matter what you want. Some people always say you need a C lash holder, but this is what I have, and I have a tweezer. You will also need a lash remover. If there's anything wrong or you've done it and maybe it doesn't sit well with what you want, you can use this to remove the lashes and redo it. What I also need is a cleanser. I'm going to be using this from micellar water. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser. I'm going to use it to clean my lashes so that it is very clean and dry before start using it, so that it can bond perfectly. I'm going to clean my eyelashes. Okay, I'm going to let it dry. that is a 16 millimeters lash I'm going with. I'm just going to like look down and I'm going with another 16. Bye. So guys, this one yes guys, just go in now my tweezer. So this is it, and then I'm going to be using, let me try to see if I can focus. the seal. We've used the bond, so I'm going to be using the seal. Just like brush everything up. So guys, this is the eyelashes. So guys, we are done with the lashes. I went in with the 16mm lashes, the 14, 214, 216, and 1/8mm lashes on both eyes. So this is how it looks. It's very easy, guys. This is what I went one time and spent a whole lot of money to do, and it wasn't what I wanted. But this, I'm so loving it, and it's so comfortable in the eyes. I don't feel like I have any lashes on my natural lashes. I don't feel anything. It's just like my natural lashes, guys. I'm going to say one thing about the bond, the B and Q bond for the lashes. It dries very fast, but I don't know how long it's going to hold. It states here it's for longer retention, but I don't know how long it's going to stay. And it's waterproof and dust proof. I'm going to see how long it's going to be, because I'm somebody that likes washing my face when I'm doing my morning care and my night care routine. I like washing my face, so if it doesn't hold, then I'll let you know. But for now, I'm loving it, and it's beautiful, and I love my eyelash. I love the effect that it gives. It's very, very simple. I was afraid that it's going to take a whole lot of time. I wasn't so sure about it because it's my first time doing it at home. But guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I'm enjoying it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoy more videos like this, don't forget to keep coming back to my page, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.
It keeps bringing me joy.